10.5.3.50. Home lab. I think in the diagram I called it WinTM VM3. So let's stick to it. Win10 VM3. Win10 VM3. In the minute the gateway home will use this policy, we need to first of all to configure that I can manage it. Right now it's without VPN. Then I will configure the VPN. This one is not moving. Okay, we have time. What else do I need? The host PC can manage both of them. The Win10 VM can manage the gateway home. I will put this and this. Maybe I will add echo to ping it. Echo request just to see we have connectivity. Meantime, all the rest will be dropped. Now I need to add the gateway home to our policy installation target. Very, very heavy. Okay, we see both of them. Let's try. If we couldn't see this one, we should go here and configure both of them. This is very critical when you use lots of policy and you don't want to push policy to the wrong gateway. Okay. What do you think? First shot? So what is your bet? We have 5 minutes. Bandicam, why do the camera always pause? Tinana, tinana. Let's do gateway home, HTTPS inspection, waiting for first connection. Very nice. Let's do the SIG again. Opa. Now we should get topology. 2.5 minutes. Come on, dashboard. Opa. We need to remove this IP. It's the default IP. So let's go here. We have okay. Maybe after reboot, let's try again. Smart dashboard. Our next video is to configure site-to-site with this gateway. Right now I just configure the gateway, first time configuration, add it to the central management, configure basic rules for administration, SSH, HTTPS, get topology. Now the next step is to allow first to do the VPN. Now we have connectivity, but it's not encrypted. Everything from here to here will work if we allow, will work regular like it's two routers. But I want it to be secure with the site-to-site VPN. So after the site-to-site VPN, we can RDP via the VPN securely. So let's see, we get over it. We have less than a minute. The installation succeed, and now we can see that we can manage this gateway, the home gateway. Next video is site-to-site VPN.